Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn Decorator in Python. Decorators are one of the most helpful and powerful tools of Python. These are used to modify the behavior of the function. Decorator provides the flexibility to wrap another function to expand the working of a wrap function without permanently modifying it. So in decorators, functions are passed as an argument into another function and then called inside the wrapper function. So it is also called the meta programming where the part of the program attempts to change another part of program at compile time. So before understanding the decorator, we need to know the some important concept of Python. Okay, so here I have a function smart divide and passing one argument which is my func. So func is my argument. So again inside the smart divide function that I have another inner function and that passing the two argument which is a and b and printing the in statement inside the inner function that is printing I am going to divide that is a argument and b. And if b value is equal to 0 it says that the print oops cannot divide. So obviously we know that our 0 is not divisible as a denominator in Python, so that will give a then 0 division error, so we cannot divide with the 0. And simply to return that call the this argument inside that our function with the uh, uh, inner function argument that is a and b, and it will return the inner function. So this is our function object, and wrapper object that will be the function which is we are going to give the modifying the behavior of the function that is our smart divide function. So this is our another function that is the divide function, and inside this function there is a and b, and this is the this will change the behavior of the function. So whatever the logic is implemented here as a wrapper function, so that will be implemented here in this function. So that will use at the rate keyword and the function name. So here I create a logic that is print a divisible by b. In this case I have a call the function name and passing the a value is 2 and b value is 0. So let me run this first one and let me run the second one. Okay, it's giving that is I am going to divide 2 and 0, and oops cannot divide. So I am going to divide 2 and 0, that comes here smart divide function. So that is inside the inner function, and is they saying that that will be print no matter what. So when this inner function will be called, and if that is b equal to 0, so here that is or b equal to 0, I'm passing the b equal to 0. So in this case it's showing that yes that is b equal to 0. So in this case that will print oops cannot be divided. So if I pass 1 here, let's see, run. So it will give in the output at 2.0. So if I do 2, or if your b value is 2, if I run this, it will give me a 1.0 because 2 divided by 2 that is 1.0. Alright. So this is the of using the decorator function. So this is of using whenever I call. So if I comment this out, if I run it, it will give me only 1.0 because that is only divisible by this one. But if I will enable again the decorator, so that will be change the behavior of the function. So that means whatever inside is implemented here, so that will be saw here. If I run again, so it will be saw again. I am going to divide 2 and 2, so that value will be saw here. All right. So next we have to create the same things that here. So here I create, I can also, so this is our called as in property based decorator. So means property based decorator is used as a at the rate keyword, and this is called the non property based decorator. So that means our this is also a decorator, but here that is property is not used. So in this case we use the function, and that function initialization to a specific variable, and again that calling that a variable as a function. So this is called a non-property based decorator. So here I did that. I create a function, create order, pass the argument which is x. Inside the create order function, then I create another inner function, that is order, and pass the y value, that is y argument. Then I return x plus y, then return the order function. Alright. So here a create order, here is my function. I initialize the create order function to a variable, that is art1. Then I pass the x value, which is my 15, and again add 1, that is 10. Alright. If I run this, it give me the value 25, because here y value will be our 10. Alright. So it will be art x plus y over 25. Alright. So this is our called non-property based decorator. So in the next session, we are going to talk about more advanced topic about the decorator and how we use decorator and what is the benefit of using the decorator.